Hello friends, welcome to Competition World. Today we are going to see about a competition being organized, new logo competition to design a logo for celebrating 75 years of India independence. So it's been 75 years of since India got independence. So on celebrating that occasion, my government is organizing a logo competition. Uh, so let us see more information about the competition. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has often shared his vision of building a new Atmanirbhar Bharat by the year of 2022. So you may be aware of that our great nation is just now 75 weeks away from 75th anniversary of Indian independence. So Bharat Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So to commemorate the monumental occasion, my government is launching a logo design contest. So how do you envision the India of tomorrow? So, how do you envision the India of tomorrow? The India which will merge the best of tradition with the most modern global outlook. So, pick up your art supplies and your graphic tablets and turn on the creative assets in your head to dive in to make a significant change by creating a logo. And the following themes. So, based on these following themes, like showcasing these six themes like governance of India, department, technology, reform, progress, and policy over the years. Any other. So, the entry should be can be digital submissions and should be designed in color. So it should be a digital submission and in color, not in monochrome. So prices for the participant: the first prize winner will receive 1 lakh rupees, the second prize runner up, the second runner up, and the second prize for first runner up is rupees 50,000, and the third prize for second runner up is rupees 25,000. So my government is citizen engagement platform. They given some, you can just feedback on participate in the governance process at large through logo contest discussions takes pools. Just they have given about my government. So let us see about the terms and conditions of this competition. So friends, you can here see the terms and conditions. Design a logo for Bharat Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So the contest is open to all citizens of India only. So only Indian citizens can participate. The subscription of entry is free and no qualifications are prescribed. There is no like entry fee, anything or qualifications. Just everyone can participate in this logo design competition. So the participant must upload the soft copy, PNG or in JPG or PNG format only of their logo design in A3 paper size or contest page of uh, my government portal. So you should upload a soft copy only in JPG or PNG of the logo design. It should be like in A3 paper size. So note the paper size A3. So the theme of the logo is already given. I have already said anniversary of Indian independence, and the themes are in description. So the entry will be judged on the basis of elements of creativity, the creativity you have used in the logo, originality, and the technical excellence, composition, simplicity, artistic merit, and visual impact, and how well the theme is communicated in the logo. So based on these nearly 7 themes, the committee will decide who is the winner and the runners. So the all entries must be submitted through the creative corner of the. I will give the link in the description of the competition page. You can go and I will just tell step by step process how to submit. Watch the video up to end. So the My Government Ministry of all designs submitted will be the intellectual property of My Government. So it will be protected. Your entries will be protected in My Government. No need to worry about that. So one entrant shall submit only one entry. So make sure that you can submit any entrant participating in the competition can submit only one entry. Multiple entries from the same entrant, if they receive multiple entries from the same entrant, means they will just delete or just disqualify, just reject every entries. So the same person should be the person who designed the logo. It should not be plagiarized, and the copyright, it should also obey the Copyright Act. So my government reserves the rights to change any technical parameters. If any change, I will be informing to you. So the prize money is rupees 1 lakh. I already told the prize money. The winners will be notified through email with his or her submission. The My Government portal shall also display the name of the winner in the blog. You can check the blog regularly for the results. So the responsibility on the all government employees participate not participate. Like only you can know that any legal proceedings. It's so based on some common terms and conditions. So the technical criteria: logo should be submitted in JPEG, PNG, or PDF format only. Only these three formats are accepted. Logo should be designed in color. The logo shall be provided in both RGB, and these for both CYMK and RGB formats. The size of the logo may vary from 5 cm to 5 cm to 60 cm into 60 cm in either portrait or landscape orientation. So both portrait and landscape orientation you can use. The logo should be usable on the website or social media, any social media sites such as Twitter, Facebook, or printed materials such as black and white press releases and stationery and signage labels, etc. So it should be usable, it should be portable to use everywhere. So the logo should be designed on a digital platform. All fonts should be converted to outlines. So note that all fonts should be converted to outlines. File should be high resolution, at least 300 pixels per inch at 100% size. File should look clean when viewed on 100 screen at 100%. Entry should not be submitted in compressed or self-extracted format. It should be just your entry. You should submit. It should not be like in compressed or self-extracted. The logo design should not be imprinted or watermarked with your name or with your own symbol, any symbols or nothing. Only your entry should be in the digital form, in the PDF or in the JPEG photo. So the selection process, the all entries issued by some stipulated date and found in order shall be evaluated by a selection committee constituted for the purpose. The committee will shortlist the entries and will decide the winner if an entry finds found suitable. Based on these 7 themes, as I already said, the selection committee will select and they will announce the winner, runner-up, and the second runner-up, everything. And the payment to be winner will be made in electronic mode, for which the necessary bank details will be taken after the declaration of winner of the contest. So let us see how to participate in this competition, how to participate and how to submit your entry. So now we are in the competition page. In the competition page, like when you enter and see the details of the team and everything, you can see here the login to participate button. Now just click this login to participate button. If you have already registered in My Government, you can just click this login to participate. If you are not registered, if you are new to My Government, just go click here this register button and register your every details from your name, your address, your phone number, your